One beautiful sunny day, Chase was driving his police truck down by the river. He found a sandy beach which looked ideal to play on. Chase drove his truck onto the sand and looked around, enjoying the fresh air. The beach was beautiful. A few minutes later, Chase tried to set off so he could tell the other pups. But then there was trouble.
Huh?
Chase was having trouble getting his truck to move. The wheels just spun as he tried going forwards. He tried going back, but his truck was stuck in deep sand. Chase knew what he had to do.
I need your help!
Oh, don't cry, Chase. We'll all help, won't we? Who do you think could help our poor police pup out of his predicament? Can Marshall help?
Ready for a rough rescue!
When Marshall arrived, he drove his fire truck into the sand to push Chase's police truck free.
Huh? I'm stuck!
But then there was more trouble. Chase and Marshall tried again and again to get their vehicles free, but it was no use. The wheels on Marshall's truck just spun, and so did the wheels on Chase's truck. Oh dear! Who else can possibly help our stuck pups out? Can Rocky help?
Green means go!
When Rocky arrived at the scene, he searched in the back of his truck for something to attach to Marshall's fire truck so he could pull Marshall and then Chase out of the sand. Rocky attached the rope to Marshall's fire truck, but when he tried backing up,
Not my truck too!
Rocky tried again to get his truck free, but just like with Chase and Marshall, the wheels on his truck just spun and spun, unable to get any grip. Oh, Pups! Don't cry. I'm sure we'll find someone who can help you out. Can Rubble help?
Rubble on the double!
Rubble's digger took a little bit longer to arrive than the other pups' vehicles had. He carefully drove his truck down to help his pup pals, confident that he could help all of his friends get their vehicles out of the sand.
No trouble for this, Rubble!
Soon, after much pushing and wheel spinning, all three vehicles were freed from the sand.
I always thought we pups should stick together, but this is ridiculous!
The pups all had a chuckle about their ordeal, and for a few moments they sat in their vehicles, looking at each other. And after that, all four friends took a drive together. It was such a beautiful day. The end.